Detergent powder works by using a combination of ingredients to break down and remove dirt, stains, and oils from fabric during the washing process. Here's a breakdown of how it works. 1. Surfactants. Cleaning agents. The primary cleaning agents in detergent powder are surfactants. These molecules have two ends, one that is hydrophilic, water-attracting, and one that is hydrophobic, water-repelling, usually attracted by oils and grease. When detergent is added to water, the hydrophobic end binds to oils and grease, while the hydrophilic end binds to water. This allows the oils and dirt to be lifted from the fabric and suspended in the water, so they can be rinsed away. 3. Builders. These are chemicals that help enhance the effectiveness of the surfactants by softening the water. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which can interfere with the cleaning process. Builders help to bind to these minerals, preventing them from interfering with the detergent's cleaning action. 4. Optical brighteners. Some detergent powders contain optical brighteners, which are chemicals that absorb UV light and reflect it back as visible blue light. This makes fabrics appear brighter and whiter, even though they are not actually cleaner. These are often added to laundry detergent to improve the visual appearance of clothes.